How to grate cheddar cheese for cooking baked mac. Grating cheddar cheese is an essential step when preparing dishes like baked mac, as it ensures even melting and incorporation into the recipe. Follow these steps to grate cheddar cheese effectively for your baked mac. 1. Choose the right cheese. Opt for a block of cheddar cheese instead of pre-shredded cheese. Pre-shredded varieties often contain anti-caking agents that may affect melting and texture. 2. Prepare the cheese. Take the cheese out of the refrigerator and let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. Slightly chilled cheese is firmer and easier to grate compared to room temperature cheese, which may become too soft and sticky. 3. Select a grater. Use a box grater or hand grater with medium or large holes, as these sizes are ideal for baked mac. They allow the cheese to melt evenly during baking. 4. Set up your workspace. Place a stable cutting board or a plate under the grater to catch the cheese. Ensure the grater is securely positioned to avoid slipping. 5. Grate the cheese. Hold the cheese block in one hand and the grater in the other. Press the cheese firmly against the grater and move it in a downward motion. Rotate the cheese as necessary to grate evenly without wasting any portion. For baked mac, you'll typically need about 1 to 2 cups of grated cheese, depending on the size of your dish. 6. Optional. Prevent sticking. To make grating smoother and prevent the cheese from clumping, you can lightly coat the grater with a small amount of flour. 7. Store or use immediately. If not using the cheese immediately, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator to maintain freshness. By grating the cheese yourself, you'll ensure a fresher, smoother, and creamier texture in your baked mac. Into the sauce for a rich and flavorful dish. Subscribe, follow, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for watching.